Welcome everybody to the Gold Cup CONCACAF press conference from St. Kitts and Nevis. The coach hosting Huggins with us. Uh, Coach, what are the first statement about the game tonight?
Well, it was a good game. I think our team was much better tonight, especially in the first half. Um, the only problem I encountered though is that we allowed them too much space at times on the ball instead of being more aggressive and winning the ball as quick as possible and getting up the field. But nevertheless, the whole tournament has been a learning experience for us, and we're gonna use this as a measuring stick as we prepare for the next encounter in September.
Okay. First question over here.
Coach Archibald with CONCACAF.com. Talk to me about some of the positive aspects from these three group stage games. In particular, I would guess you would highlight the first half with Trinidad and Tobago and then today's first half, which you just briefly mentioned. But talk to me a little bit more in depth about those positive aspects, those positive things you can take from this group stage experience.
Yeah, we played against Trinidad. As you said, we were able to hold them at least to 44th minute to 0-0. So in my estimation, we played defensively sound. So that's one of the positive stuff. Also, we were defensively sound again against Jamaica tonight, this evening. So we can go away knowing that defensively we are good and we could be better still. The goals that we gave up, I think, was because we wasn't aggressive enough. We paid too much respect to the opponents in terms of allowing them to do what they had to do. But we need to get more aggressive, especially in and around our defensive area. So we could use that again to work and to get much better as we move forward. We also need to get more shots firing at goals in the attack. We tried tonight to get some shots off. I think the game tonight was the only game in the tournament that we were able to look for shots. As we asked them to in the dressing room, we need to kick to score goals. So those are the positive for me that I think we could take away from the tournament and work harder for the future.
Next question.
Hello, Coach. My name is Holly. A dream classification in the preliminary phase. They managed to be in a group phase. Which teachings can this Gold Cup leave for St. Kitts?
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, what teachings can this Gold Cup leave for St. Kitts?
Well, we have learned a valuable lesson that to be competing with the big boys, we have to raise our standard a little higher, fitness-wise in particular. The ability to concentrate 100% from start to end. The ability to play more as a team in the attack and defense. But most importantly, though, I will have to say, the fitness level have to be a little more higher because we play against the likes of America, even Mexico. We didn't play them, but when we look at the standard that America and Mexico, when we look at the TV, these are the guys that are in CONCACAF. And to see the level of fitness that they have, it's like we need to get more fitter to compete with this level. So once we fit, then we're able to play comfortably and as we want to play.
Next question.
Okay, Coach, Jamie Claxton representing SKNFA. In this tournament, you would have introduced a number of young players like Tikwani Williams, Malik Roberts, players who are 21, 22-year-old. What lessons do you think they have taken from this tournament as St. Kitts and Nevis look to get back to another Gold Cup?
Well, the lesson I hope that they would take back is to see the level of professionalism that was displayed by those bigger teams. Also to get valuable exposure and experience to play in a tournament of this magnitude. And they also saw the crowd capacity here, all that could influence the performance. But I think they stood up well. Malik in particular, he played 90 minutes for the 3 games and also the qualifying games. As a youngster, I think he did exceptionally well. So, yeah, that to me, in my estimation, our future looking bright.
Hello, Coach. My name is Cedric Sylvain. Do you have a message for the people of St. Kitts right now? Because you know they're all watching.
Well, my message to St. Kitts and Nevis would be thanks for the support. Thanks for believing in us. And also, we are out here marketing our country to the best of our ability. And the message would be keep faith in our team. We have learned a valuable lesson in this tournament, which we're going to use to the best of our ability to help us to be more competitive in the future.
Thank you, Coach. Austin Hollins will be part of the CONCACAF Gold Cup press conference.
Thank you very much, sir.